was like, it's over with, bro. It's over. But low-key, this shit attracted to me because, like, bro, I've been trying to fuck with you for like a while. This is my bitch. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the story took a turn for the worse. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was texting her like we just not cool no more. She was like, basically, fuck up. Hey, it's time for a story time, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to tell this story for a minute, but I had to wait. I had to let the situation die down. But if y'all can't tell by the title, this is story time about how I messed with a girl and I just found out so much crazy shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a perfect person. Like, nobody is perfect. Nobody's perfect. It's just like a lot going on. So boom. We get into college. It's like summer before freshman year. We're going to college. You know how like you going to college? They had these little Instagram pages called class of 20 whatever, class of 2000 whatever. I'm on the class of 28 page because I'm class of 28. I'm looking, I'm scrolling. You know what I'm saying? You going through all the girls. You trying to see like who you gonna fuck with, who cute, who ugly, this and that. So boom. I'm scrolling through, I'm like liking girls' posts, I'm following girls, I'm getting followers back, it's cool. But I see this one girl, we gonna call her Nora. I see this one girl, I see her Nora, I see like, okay, she bad. I'm looking at her account, she putting that shit on, I'm like, okay, I liking the music taste, she on some underground shit. I'm like, damn, like okay, like I really fuck with her, like she pretty. She listens to the same music I listen to, like we could really get along or some like we could really get along. So boom, I follow her. I get that follow back like instantly, like dumb fast. I'm like, oh, we're in, like this green, like I'm greening right now. Ain't nothing much really happened, cause like I got the follow back, but it was also like we wasn't at school yet, so I wasn't really like on some DM shit. Like I was just trying to get follows back. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to grow my account. Like I see her post sometimes. I go on her story. I see her post on her story. She looking good. I like her story or whatever. I respond to a couple of her stories. I didn't really say much though. Like I could check the DMs. I didn't never really delete no DMs. I don't never really remember saying much of DMs. It was cause she didn't respond to DMs. Like I'm not gonna lie, she would like some of my stories for sure, but she never really responded to DMs, and I was just like, damn, bro, I'm fucking blocked. Damn. Bro, what did I do? I'm blocked, so I can't check the DM. Anyway, I see her around campus sometimes. I say what's up. She pretty. I talk to her. We chop it up real quick, but she always be busy. And I always be doing something else, whatever. So boom. This is second semester. Mind you. First semester, didn't talk to her at all. I'm not gonna lie, I would like her stories, she would like my stories. Never talked to her. Like in person, maybe I saw her one time. I seen her in a union and I was like, yeah, we gonna have to hang out, we gonna have to chop it up. That shit never happened. So boom, second semester, we back in school. I'm starting to see her post again, so I'm like, okay, cool. I'm liking her stories. I'm sliding though, I'm applying more pressure because like, shit, I don't got nothing to lose at this point. You know what I'm saying? She started responding a little bit, but she's still like barely responding. I'm like, damn, like what the fuck? I was like, she responds sometimes and then I'll text back and then just no response. I'm just like, fuck. And so I walk into the little convenience store outside the 5 diner, the little convenience store on the side, and in comes her. She looking good. And I'm like, damn. So I walk up to her. I'm like, hey, like, what's up? She recognized me. We get to chopping up a little bit. I'm like, you look good. Where you going? She like, oh, I'm going to a party. This and that. You should have came. Something like that. I'm like, damn. I got shit to do. I think I had a test to study for or some shit. I couldn't go. I was like, let me know when the next one is though. She was like, for sure. And I was like, but you won't be texting back though. So let me get your number. Got her shit. Boom. Bro, mind you, all this shit is happening. Every time I text her, no text back, it'd be like 3 weeks. Like, bro, I can't get a hold of this girl. Next party comes around, it's like a couple weeks later. She like, hey, it's another party, you should pull up this time. I said, bet, I'm gonna pull up with my boys. She like, bet. The night of the party comes, I text her for the loc. She like, I'm finna turn my location on. Turn that shit on. I'm like, damn, loc? Hey, this certified. So I put that shit on, pull up to the party. I'm with my boys. I'm like, hey, I'm here. Put my phone up, cause I know she's not gonna be responding type of shit. Like, it's a party, bro. Boom. I see her. She walk out. She was like handling her friend who was drunk as hell or some shit. Bro, mind you, the party started like a couple hours before I got there. Her friend already shit-faced. Already. So she babysitting. She get out, babysitting her friend. We make eye contact. She walk over to me. I'm like, what's up, what's up? We hug. Cool. She's like, I'm gonna go smoke outside. I'm like, all right, cool. I'm gonna go stand with you. Boom, we walk out. On the balcony. We chopping it up. It's so like, we connecting. It's like, we cool, we laughing. I'm making her laugh. She making me laugh. She looking good. I'm telling her she look good. She telling me I look good. I'm like, damn, like this a love story. Like, I feel like also, like almost a high school musical, just love story type of shit. I'm like, damn, okay. She said she gotta go back and check on her friend. I'm like, cool, I'm gonna look with my partners. Cause in this party, I was in the balcony. We don't know nobody at this party at all. I walked back into a party. Them niggas are not here, nowhere to be found. Mind you, we walked from our dorms, which wasn't a far walk, because it was at an apartment complex down the street from campus. It might have been 10 minutes. So boom, I'm checking the location, bro. They're back halfway to the dorm, like walking back. Mind you, it's only been 30 minutes since we got to the party. I seen a girl, we went outside. I'm expecting my niggas to hold it down for me. Them niggas did not hold it down for me. Them niggas did long gone. And they didn't text me or nothing. Like, no message, no, hey, we about to dip. Hey, we going here. So I was just like, whatever. I called them niggas, they like, yeah, bro, we did. Like, I'm like, bro, you niggas lame as fuck. You didn't get on no hoes. They just nothing, bro. And mind you, there's plenty beautiful girls in this function. So them niggas dip. I call them, I make sure, I'm like, what the fuck? And so I go talk to the girl, I'm like, hey, my friends left me, you know what I'm saying? I'm not finna stay. And she was like, all right, cool, I was finna dip too. And I was like, what you doing after this? And she was like, I was probably finna smoke, I don't know. I was like, cool, go back to my dorm. I took a shower and everything, bro. I'm a serious nigga. Like, when I'm finna link a pretty girl, when I'm finna link a pretty girl, I take that shit so overly serious. Cause it's like, bro, I gotta make the best first impression. So bro, I take a shower, reapply cologne, put a different fit on, I'm fresh. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to make a good first impression. Like, even if the girl don't do all that shit, I'm gonna do it, cause that's just me, bro. Boom, I put on a comfy fit though. It's not even on going out shit. It's just like on some comfy shit. So boom, she pull up to me. I get in her car. I'm like, what's up? She like, what's up? We finna head out, and she's like looking for her Zop. She don't have that shit. I like just smoked the last of it. Like, I think I rolled the last of it for that party, and I smoked it there. But like, I didn't have no more. She didn't have hers. She was like, damn, I think somebody took my shit. I'm like, damn, maybe my homeboy could like give me enough to roll one. Walk up the stairs to my dorm. I knock on my homeboy's door. He opened that bitch. He in there like, about to go sleep or some shit. Mind you, it's like one on I wanna say it's a Friday night. This nigga's about to go to sleep, like lights off. I'm like, yo, you could give me a little Zop, cause I got this girl I'm trying to smoke with. He's like, bro, you always, bro. I'm like, bro, this shit's cooked. Like, this girl, this the first time I'm linking her. I've been trying to do this shit for 3 months, and bro, shit just not working out. So I'm mad as fuck. I'm like, damn, bro, you can't hold it down for a nigga, bro. I caught you next time. He was like, nah, bro. I'm just like, damn. It's crazy, bro. So I go back out, I tell her, I'm like, damn, my homeboy not fucking with me. I'm not gonna lie, he's not fucking with me on his side. We all got shit to smoke. She was just like, yeah, we might just have to do this a different time. I was like, it's over with, bro. It's over. Shit's never happening. This shit already was months in the process. As soon as she leave out, I'm like, yeah, I'm never seeing her ass again. And I didn't for weeks. Like, we didn't text, nothing. But the one thing that I thought was interesting was her location was still on permanently. And I noticed one day that I could still see her shit. Like, she really, like, she trusts me like that. I be trying not to look, cause I'm not a weird ass nigga. Like, and then one day she had texted me. I had to tell you something. That was just it. I was like, I text her back, what's up? No text back. It had been 2 weeks. 2 weeks. No text back. And so I was just like, what the fuck? And then like a couple days later, I was like, yo, you good? No text back for 2 weeks. At the 2 week mark, I was like, gang. Cause it shit killing me on the inside, bro. She telling me she had something to say. Your location's still on. So I was like, damn. Like, I don't even know if she knew that shit. Like, I don't even know if she knew that shit, bro. And so, boom. Bro, one night I was just like, fuck it. FaceTime her once, hung up immediately. FaceTime her again. Get past that focus mode, bro. I'm a real nigga. I'll call 2 times every time, bro. I don't have no shame about doing that shit, bro. You gonna see this call. You gonna either decline it or say you gotta call back later or some shit, but I don't give a fuck. You gonna see this call. She pick up though. She in the bed. I'm like, yo. She's like, yo. I'm like, what's up? You busy? She was like, nah, I'm finna go to sleep. I was like, what did you need? She's like, what? I was like, you texted me you needed to tell me something like 2 weeks ago. And she was like, oh, my bad. Like, oh, I be doing that shit. She was like giggling and shit, laughing and shit. Like, I'm joking. I'm not being serious. She's like giggling, laughing and shit. Oh, my bad, I forgot. I don't be texting back and shit, this and that. And I was like, what you doing right now? She was like, I just got back from somewhere. I was gonna go to sleep. I was like, trying to smoke? She was like, her roommate is in the room. She looked up at her roommate. She giggled. She's like, should I? She's asking her roommate, so they giggling and shit, whatever. I was just like, yeah, like, come on, like, let's hang out. You're not doing nothing else. I'm pretty sure it was another Friday night. Like, I said, I'm finna shower real quick. After I'm done, pull up. She's like, okay, cool, let me know. I showered. I call her back. Yo, she's still up. I'm like, cool. She like, all right, bet, I'm on the way. A little ass walk. She stay in a dorm not far from my shit. You know what I'm saying? And I go meet her at the door. We go smoke. We chopping it up. I'm making fun of her for not texting me back and shit. She's like laughing and shit. We just joking, chopping it up. Having a good ass time, great ass time. But like, I'm not gonna lie, every time we talk in person, it was a fantastic conversation. And so boom, we go back to the dorm, we chilling. I'm like, bro, I've been trying to like fuck with you for like a while. She like, yeah, I noticed, like, you know what I'm saying? You've been applying pressure for a long ass time and I just ain't been paying attention. And I was like, damn, that's kind of fucked up. And she was like, we good now, I'm here now. And so I was like, what did you need though? Like, what'd you need in that text? And she was like, I don't know what it was. It wasn't nothing important though. And so boom, now we cool. I'm sitting on the bed. She laid down. We both geek. So when we were smoking, like I'm a lightweight, I'm super light. So I rolled up and she had like a wood or some shit. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not hitting the woods because that shit punched my chest. I don't do the tobacco. I'm not doing that. She smoking her shit, I'm smoking my shit. I pass her my shit, like when she finished hers. I reached my limit. I'm like, yeah, I can't. Bro, I'm like sitting there like glistening and shit. She laughing and shit because she's a smoker. Like she been doing this. She been telling me she really do smoke like multiple times a day. Roll up, go to class, roll up after class, roll up before bed, this and that. I'm like, damn. So I give her my shit. She like, she don't want to waste it. She telling me we not wasting those eyes. So she hitting that shit, boom, 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 boom. But low-key, this shit attracted to me because like, bro, girls that smoke. I'm not gonna lie, girls that smoke, it's just like, that's a different level of attraction. Like, we getting high and shit. Like, I love getting high. Like, let's get high together. So it's like, boom, we get back to the room. We both geeking. I put on my music. We chilling, we listening and shit, telling each other about music and shit. She putting on songs, I'm putting on songs. Boom, push on herself. We get to making out. More pushing and shoving. We get to pushing and shoving. I'm not gonna lie. 10 out of 10. This was well worth the wait. I'm not gonna lie. This was worth all the effort that I put into that shit because that shit was so fire. Like, we was just, bro, I feel like we was just really like into each other. So like when we had started doing that shit, like it was just like a different level. I'm not gonna lie. But it didn't stop there. So boom, we finish up, we chilling, whatever, we coolin', bro. It's like boo loving, like we boo loving basically. And we fall asleep, she stay at my shit. Wake up the next day, 3 p.m., don't leave. We just laying in bed all day. Both our phones is like on my desk. We not looking at our phones. We playing music, we changing the music and shit, but like I'm changing it damn near on my Apple Watch only. Like we really not looking at phones, not responding to no text. We just in bed, just boo loving all day. It get to be late, like we didn't even get up to eat or nothing. I don't eat basically like but one meal a day. I could really do that shit. Like I don't really like eating. I guess she's the same way. She don't really be eating for real. So we was just all day just in the bed. It's back late again. We woke up at 3 and it's back like 9. And I'm like, you might as well like spend another night. Like we just been here all day type of shit. So she like, you're right. And so she get up, she go to her dorm, take a shower, change her clothes, come back, we smoke again, push herself another night. It's like, damn, like this my bitch. Like this my bitch. Damn, like this is my bitch. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm not even that type of nigga. I'm not that type of nigga. But it's like when shit like this is happening, it's like we really connected on some deeper level shit. So I was like, damn, like this really my little shit. Like we cool. Like we don't be on no phone. She go, change her clothes, come back. We back to just being us in our room. Doors locked, lights off, we chilling just all day. We spent an entire weekend like that. We woke up late. I almost missed my class. She dropped me off at class. We kissing each other before we get out of the car. Hey, this is my little shit. I'm not gonna lie. But next weekend she come back. It was only like a Saturday though. She didn't spend the whole weekend this time. But it was only like Saturday. We smoked, we chill, it's just like that was cool. But this where problems start to happen. So it's getting to be like pretty sure it was like Baywatch, I'm pretty sure. And so she going to Baywatch and I'm like, damn, we gonna be like apart for a weekend for the first time in like 2 weeks. I ain't have shit else to do. Like I wouldn't even fuck with no other hoes at this point. It's like shit, I'm in there for the long run. And she get to being weird. She get to asking me like, oh, are we only for each other, this and that. I'll be for you if you're for me. Like I ain't really fucking nobody else. Like this and that. I'm like, where's this shit coming from? I'm skeptical, bro. I'm a skeptical ass nigga. Like be asking the real questions. Like I ain't really gonna lie to no hoe. It's just like I don't really be like just doing shit like that out of the blue. And we don't know each other for that long. She getting like real into it. And so I'm like, okay, this strange. Cause she went from being completely non-verbal to we for each other, we're locked in, this and that. I'm like, Interesting. Bro, she's gone for the weekend. I'm in my room chilling. I look at my story, my gay homegirl, she posts all her tea and shit. Bro, I'm looking through her story. She posts DMs like a girl normally. Like she posts DMs of girls she be talking to. She be learning out names and shit. But this time she posted a DM and I see the girl profile picture. I'm like, wait a minute. That's Nora. I'm a little betrayed. Why is Nora texting my homegirl like on some I'm finna eat your pussy like this and that, like hardcore gay shit. I'm like, damn. I'm not even really offended. Like that shit don't bother me. Like at least it's not another nigga. I don't know for sure if she was fucking with other niggas, but at least I know she fucks with girls for sure. Like I know for sure she fucks with girls. And so I was like, damn. And then I was thinking about it. I was like, damn, why did she do all that boo love and shit? Like all that we for each other, this and that. And so I see the DM and I'm like, damn. I text my homegirl. I'm like, damn, like I fuck with her. Like I see laughing and shit. I'm like, damn, this kind of crazy. But I don't care though. Like you fuck with her, whatever. It don't matter. We moving on a couple more days. She come back. We coolin'. She's still on that boo love and shit. I'm like, I'm knowing what she doing now. So it's like, I seen the DMs. I got proof that you fucking around with other people. I mean, after I seen that, it was like, I guess I could fuck with other people, but I really wasn't like urgent to do that shit because like I didn't really have a reason. Like I was just fucking with her only. But she come back from Houston, Baywatch. We back to boo love and whatever. I'm more chill now though. I'm more docile. That's a vocabulary word for you. I'm more docile. She's still on that lovey-dovey shit. I'm fucking with her, but I'm chill. Like I'm not reciprocating the lovey-dovey shit. She leave, whatever. I see another girl. Like I guess I can too. Fuck it. I'm not really pressed about not seeing another girl no more. I'm not really like trying to hold myself back from doing that shit no more. Cause I done seen like she around with other people. The story took a turn for the worse, I'm not gonna lie. One day she texts me, oh, we can't talk no more. Yada yada yada. This and that. You're a weirdo. I'm like, what the fuck? What happened to my little shit? Why is my little shit just gone now? Like, what the fuck is going on? I text her, I'm like, what's up? She's like, rumor has it like you got a girlfriend, this and that. I'm like, what? Cause bro, I don't have a girlfriend. I am not a cheating ass nigga. I will not do that shit. I've been with cheating ass bitches, but I'm not a cheating ass nigga. I'm just a D1 side nigga. I just be holding it down. I'm not a cheater though. I don't do that shit. If I got a girlfriend, I'll hold it down. I'm loyal, bro. I love my girl. You know what I'm saying? I love the hell out of my girl. I hug her tight, but it's like, bro, somebody going around saying I'm her boyfriend. And I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, I'm already knowing who it could be. I'm knowing who it probably is. Multiple people and shit. It's like, it's just, I'm asking like, who said that shit? She beat around the bush and shit. I'm like, bro, just tell me, cause I don't have no girlfriend. Like, you acting crazy. She told me a name, Lightbulb. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a crazy hoe. Absolutely not her boyfriend. Absolutely not. As soon as she told me that name, I was like, yeah, hell nah, this shit is laughable. She's like, oh, she's still acting weird. She cut me off, unfollow me, force unfollow, unfollow my TikTok. So I just lost my little shit over a rumor that wasn't even true, over a thought. Like, okay, so not only did she fuck with other people, but she heard a rumor from a friend of a hairstylist or some more shit that led back to her, and she just cut me off. I was like, damn, like you must not really fuck with me then. That shit just really confused me, and so like, bro, that was just the end of it. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was texting her like we just not cool no more. She was like, basically, fuck no. I was like, damn. So bro, I got betrayed. That was the story of me getting betrayed by a DL girl over some nut shit. I be missing her sometimes. I'm not gonna lie, cause she was really like my vibe. But hey, bro, that's the end of the story. I feel like I also want to do like story times on TikTok. If you want to like watch my shit on TikTok live with me though, my TikTok is gonna be in the bio. I'm probably gonna put it down here or something. Appreciate y'all for watching though. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like, post notice. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see the live streams. I need 3 more followers to go live on TikTok. Please give me there. Thank y'all. God bless y'all, man. Pray every day. And this is